Hello and welcome back to the channel. Motions Biz here again. And today I would like to share with you the 6 types of personal loans with maybe federal. And you might think that there is only one type or one program for personal loans with maybe federal, but there are actually 6 of them. And I will try to give you just a brief summary of each of the programs. So if you are in the market for a personal loan, you may decide to avail any of them. And of course, before we get started, thank you so much for following and supporting the channel, especially to our new subscribers and to those new members of Navy Federal. So if you are new to the channel and is not subscribed yet, please do. And also review the comment section of each of the videos that you are able to watch, because it is quite a rich source of information, because we have a lot of members in the community who are very experienced and very knowledgeable with Navy Federal products, hacks, and tips. So we have 6 types of personal loans with Navy Federal, and the sixth and the last is actually a product that not many really talk about it, or it has not really been talked about anywhere. And so just to bring awareness to you for this specific product moving forward, let's talk about number 1. And this is the personal expense loan from Navy Federal that I am sure a lot of you are familiar about. You can pretty much do this loan on your app. It is a stated income, no doc type of loan. And I have tried this loan as well. And it ranges anywhere from $250 to $50,000. Depending on your credit profile, however, Navy Federal might ask for some more information from you or documents. There are instances where the personal loan can be funded in one day. As far as the APR and the terms, up to 36 months can range from 7.99 to 18%, and 37 to 60 months for 15.29 up to 18%. And number 2 is the home improvement loan, another very common loan that you can get from Navy Federal. This loan is great for home repairs, remodeling, or efficiency upgrades. There is no collateral required. 25,000 minimum loan amount for 61 to 84 months, and $30,000 minimum loan amount for 85 to 180 months. And just to show you the rates and terms for the home improvement loan, here it is. To apply for this type of loan, they do encourage you to either call or visit a branch. Number 3 is the debt consolidation loan, and Navy Federal does offer this type of a loan. It features affordable monthly payments, and it can range anywhere from $250 to $50,000. Now, I'm not quite sure whether Navy Federal would pay your creditors directly or deposit it to your account like the personal loan. So if you have any experience with this, please let us know so we would know about how they would do that. As far as rates and terms, here it is. And again, they do encourage you to either call or visit a branch to apply for this type of loan. And before we continue to the 4th product, if you have tried any of the 3 that I just mentioned, please indicate that in the comment section below. Number 4 is the savings secured loan. So this is a personal loan that you can get from Navy Federal, and it is secured by your money from your savings account. One benefit is that your savings continue to earn dividends and become available to you as the loan is paid off. Extended terms of 61 to 180 months. That's about 15 years. Available for certain loan purposes, subject to loan amount minimums. And as far as rates, terms of 61 to 180 months will be your share rate plus 3%. Now, up to 60 months, it will be your share rate plus 2%. Right, let's talk about the next type of a personal loan. Number 5 is the certificate secured loan. So this type of a personal loan is pretty much secured with your certificates. We do have members who have really large amounts of certificates of deposit, and you can use this pretty much to borrow up to 100% of your certificate's principal balance. The loan amount cannot exceed the certificate balance, and the loan term must be equal to or less than the certificate term. The term for this loan can be anywhere up to 60 months, and the certificate rate plus 2% will be your APR. And let's move on to the next type of a personal loan. And one reason why I really wanted to discuss the sixth is that there may be members out there who have families who can benefit from this type of a personal loan. And let's talk about the career kickoff loans with Navy Federal. Now, this type of loans are designed for juniors and seniors at U.S. military service academies or those attending certain officer training programs. Now, they have great rates. You can use the funds to set up your household, consolidate debt, pay for uniforms, and cover other expenses. And deferred payment options are even available too. So this is a really great program for juniors and seniors who are still in military academy, and it's a great chance to actually kickstart their careers. So how can one apply for this loan? Okay, first is you have to become a member. Number two, you have to open a checking account. And number three, you can apply for this loan by calling the Navy Federal number or just stopping by a branch. For more details about this specific career kickoff loan, you can actually check the website for Navy Federal, and you can pretty much and check the FAQ question on the Navy Federal website under personal loans, and you can pretty much get all the information you need about how do you get started, how soon will you receive your funding, and all that. So you can check that out on the Navy Federal website under the personal loan section. Just pretty much go through all the questions, and all those questions are answered here, and you will get more clarification and details about this loan and how to go about it. And an important thing is to remember that your credit will be pulled. It will be a hard pull on your credit report. So if you know of anybody who can benefit from this type of loan, especially those who are just starting their careers, definitely share this information. And I hope that the right individuals would be able to take advantage of this personal loan, this type of a personal loan from Navy Federal, because I just really believe that people who serve their country deserve so much. And I'm glad that Navy Federal can also share that and help them out when they're starting. I'm also very aware that many of you in this community have served, are veterans, and also belong to the different branches of the military. And for that, I appreciate you very much. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your service. And I really mean that. So again, it's Motions Biz here. And if you have ever tried any of these personal loans, we would love to hear how your experience was and give us your feedback as well. So thank you once again. Until next time.